Ever wondered what artificial intelligence, or AI, really is, and how it's transforming the world around us? At its core, AI is the quality of computational programs designed to emulate human intelligence. This includes tasks such as pattern recognition, planning, and critical analysis based on collected data. It's about creating smart machines that can think, learn, and solve problems much like we do. But here's where it gets interesting. The exact definition of AI is still a subject of ongoing debate. Some say it's about machines that can perform any task a human can, while others argue it's about systems that can learn and adapt on their own. Regardless of where you stand in this debate, one thing is clear. AI is a game changer. AI in its simplest form is all about developing machines that can perceive, reason, learn, communicate, and act, possibly even better than us humans. Artificial intelligence isn't just a fancy term, it's already changing various fields in revolutionary ways. Let's take a closer look at how AI is making waves in healthcare, tourism, environmental design, education, and logistics. In the realm of healthcare, AI is playing a pivotal role. It's being used to analyze complex data, improving healthcare delivery, and enhancing diagnostic accuracy in disciplines like radiology. Picture this. AI algorithms sift through vast amounts of patient data, spotting patterns and anomalies that might be missed by human eyes, leading to faster, more accurate diagnoses and treatments. Now, let's hop over to the tourism industry. Here, AI is automating processes and enhancing customer experiences. Imagine chatbots providing instant responses to customer queries or AI-based algorithms recommending personalized travel itineraries. It's like having a personal concierge in your pocket. In the sphere of environmental design, AI is ushering in revolutionary changes. It's enabling more efficient and sustainable design solutions, transforming the way we interact with and shape our surroundings. Think of AI algorithms predicting environmental impacts of different design choices, allowing architects and urban planners to make more informed, sustainable decisions. In the field of education, AI technology is enhancing learning experiences and student assessments. Imagine a world where AI-powered platforms provide personalized learning paths, adaptive feedback, and even predict areas where a student might struggle. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7. Lastly, in logistics, AI is enabling automation and improving efficiency in modern logistics systems. Envision AI-powered robots sorting packages in warehouses or AI algorithms optimizing supply chain management. It's like having a super-efficient logistician on board, ensuring everything runs smoothly and effectively. The potential benefits of AI are immense, leading to accuracy, efficiency, and improved experiences across sectors. But it's not all sunshine and roses. As we'll discuss in the next segment, the widespread adoption of AI comes with its own set of challenges and ethical considerations. Yet, as with all powerful tools, AI also comes with its own set of challenges and ethical considerations. The advent of AI has sparked a spectrum of concerns, ranging from its potential impact on employment to privacy and security issues. In the realm of healthcare, while AI's ability to analyze complex data and improve healthcare delivery is commendable, it also raises questions about data privacy, algorithm bias, and the role of human judgment. Imagine your personal health data being mishandled or misinterpreted by an AI system. The consequences could be dire. Shifting our gaze to the tourism industry, the automation brought about by AI could potentially lead to job losses. Moreover, increased automation could also dilute the authentic travel experience that many tourists seek. Can an AI system truly replicate the human touch that shapes memorable travel experiences? In the sphere of education, the rise of AI sparks debates about its potential to replace human teachers. The ethical implications of using AI in student assessment also raise eyebrows. Can an AI system truly understand the nuances of a student's learning process? Or will it merely reduce education to a set of algorithms? And lastly, let's consider logistics. AI has the potential to optimize supply chain management and improve operational efficiency. But at what cost? There are concerns about the potential displacement of human workers and the ethical implications of using AI in decision-making processes. Can we entrust our supply chains, the lifeline of our economy, to machines? These concerns underscore the need for a balanced approach to AI integration. As we harness the power of AI, we must also keep a vigilant eye on the potential pitfalls. We need to ensure that the benefits of AI do not come at the cost of our ethical standards and societal norms. The ethical and societal implications of AI are as important to consider as the benefits it promises. As we continue to explore the potential of AI, we must also remember to tread with caution. After all, the goal of technological advancement should always be to enhance, not compromise, our human experience. The future of AI is a hot topic for debate, but one thing's for sure, it's here to stay. As we move further into the 21st century, AI continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, revolutionizing industries and reshaping our daily lives. With potential advancements in machine learning and big data analysis, the future applications of AI are boundless. Imagine a world where AI systems could predict and mitigate environmental disasters, or where AI-enhanced healthcare could provide personalized treatment plans based on an individual's genetic makeup. The possibilities are endless. Yet as AI becomes more integral to our world, its significance only grows. It's not just about creating smarter machines, but about enhancing our human capabilities and improving our quality of life. However, it's important to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. As we continue to harness the power of AI, we must also remain vigilant about its ethical and societal impacts. Artificial intelligence is indeed a game changer, promising to revolutionize our world while also pushing us to consider new ethical dilemmas. We've taken a deep dive into the world of AI, exploring its definition and how it's reshaping various fields, from healthcare and tourism to environmental design, education and logistics. We've seen how AI is enhancing diagnostic accuracy in healthcare, revolutionizing customer experiences in tourism, and optimizing modern logistics systems. But as much as it's a tool for growth and innovation, AI also presents us with significant challenges. Ethical concerns around data privacy, algorithm bias, and the impact on employment are just a few of the issues we need to grapple with as we continue to harness the power of AI. If you found this exploration of AI intriguing, remember to hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.